Sanibona bafethu 3 Orlando Pirates 0. Isasemarumo bafethu, I'm so excited. Indlela i-team edlala ngakhona bafethu, indlela bafethu i-team edlala ngakhona, indlela bafethu i-team ewina ngakhona. Remember ukuthi last season, if not 2 seasons ago, ama-game kanje beswaye i-Pirates ibizwa i-draw le game. So, but to win it ngo-3-0 and ngamathuba amaningi, it's so exciting bafowethu. Siqala nje emuva, what changed was Undaba on the left, of which I love him so much. Yabo indlela afitha ngakhona kwi-system is so amazing. What it does is uvula ulayini ngale ndlela yokuthi u-overlapper on the left, but then it doesn't just overlap. We understand when and how. Van Rooyen on the right, if ibhola seqala Van Rooyen uzobe kwi-half ye-opponent, u-create 5 between uyena, uMasangayi, uTito, u-Apolis bese kuba uMbothuma. Undaba, what he does, uma siqala ibhola uba kwi-half yethu, uyasilekelela uku-inverter if kumele si-edinama ngaphakathi, but 2 usinikeza i-rest defense e-right. Now this means ukuthi Unimtanjela need to be a number 8, a box to box. How many times have you seen him in the shot? He takes shots manje as a boxing. This means ukuthi siba number eningi eboxing. Lento le iforce ukuthi ama opponents ahlale kwi half ya 1. 2 yenza ukuthi uMakhawula abe nesikhathi nebhola. 3 yenza ukuthi uMfukeng babe unpredictable ukwenza ama run behind ama defenders, because basuke belinde ukuthi like awazi ukuthi then awazi noma you need to press noma you need to wait while you are waiting. Ucabanga ukuthi yinomela uyenze iPirates will find ama spaces in between. Now uApolis benomfukeng, they will come into uzo collect ball while Van Rooyen on the right is moving, and then now on the left you'll find an Apolis making a run, or you'll find Mfukeng coming in ukuzoba in number 10, whereas and then Chape uTito will go ngaphezulu. Basically issue ukuthi Van Rooyen will be a number 10 if we are moving forward, and then leave space for the winger. Now ucoach kunzima ukudlala iPirates, because normally if kudlala uMoremi on the right, Moremi will be playing wide and Van Rooyen will come in as a number 10 or as a more like a direct winger. But now if Umoremi like today, Van Rooyen was opening the line, then Komach High-Nails will find Apolis, Mfukeng, Tito, Mbothuma occupying. So kunzima ukubamba isiteam yethu, ela kunzima ukudefenda iPirates because uzovuma bani. Then ngake ngakhuluma ngoSiyema, ngiba nama concerns amaningi ngaye indlela aluza ngakhona ifocus egamini, because amaphutha wenzayo angascosta if uhlelisa ukorele lapha igame ibizoshintsha. But overall he's a talented player, and I think Hugo Bros mela angastroke mntoda mfowethu lodlala ngale eRomania ayisabonga si right la. Now back to bafethu igame yethu we see control ngale ndlela ukuthi I was so happy seeing uMakhawula coming into quality ball emuva at 10 afese ama opponents enze i-forward pass. Sometimes ubenza i-forward pass elandele towards uqhubeka ne-run. So now tell me iscore u2-0 second half, I think around 60 kanje to 70. He put in Umbule to become a holding mid. Yeah, ihlala la. There's no Messi because now, okay, tell me now there will be Mbule dating izinto from emuva to phambili. I really liked how uMsendami iPirates kunabo coach abagxila kwi-player. uMsendami is, for me, is gonna be a very dangerous player for us. I liked how indlela bethatha ingakhona uzokholesa ibhola. Remember ukuthi kuMaromo Gallants even kwiZimbabwe kuyakhona ubevula line, but now he comes in to collect the ball. Yes, kusamele alungise kwizinqumo naye ufuna ukora ufuna ukuziveza, but I think he's gonna be a best player for us. And omunye umdlali that I'm really concerned ngaye is uMoriam Mist. He's starting to complicate things. I think he pushing on the right, I'm Mvuni, when the Ngumo is wrong, but on the left is quick, he's very aggressive. I think he needs to go back there. But you know it's basically system. So before it, I'll be making a pre-game analysis for a game Sundowns. The Pirates bafethu ngoba ngikhona lapho eSoweto ngoba ngikhona bafethu live, but ngizoyenza before igame iqala. Bafethu it's a must win, not a must draw. Ngibafisela ukuthi bawine baze bafike kwifinal bese badla final, because while beqhubeka thina we are focusing kule league le. We need to win this league, guys. Sengivala bafowethu ngicela ningi-support nganzokwethu. Ama gloves lawa akhipha 1.2 bafowethu, kukhona nama-boots, bafowethu, nama-tight ebhola, namasokisi gents. Ngicela ningi-support bafowethu, inamba yami khona kwi-account yami. Danko.